This might be the smartest MacBook Apple has ever made, and most people won't see it coming. In early 2026, Apple is expected to launch the MacBook Air with the M5 chip. If leaks are right, this could become Apple's fastest-selling laptop ever. The M4 MacBook Air quietly became Apple's biggest laptop success because Apple gave buyers options. For years, the MacBook Air was a simple, elegant machine, but often felt constrained by its base configurations. The M4 generation changed that perception entirely. Apple understood the market's desire for both affordability and capability. They delivered a machine that was not just a refresh, but a strategic repositioning of their most popular laptop. This approach resonated deeply with a broad spectrum of users, from students to professionals. It proved that thoughtful configuration options could drive unprecedented sales. The base model M4 MacBook Air shipped with a 10-core CPU and an 8-core GPU. This configuration offered excellent performance for everyday tasks and light creative work. However, Apple introduced a clever incentive for those needing more power. By upgrading the storage or RAM, users unlocked the full GPU power of the M4 chip. This meant a 10-core GPU became available, significantly boosting graphical performance for demanding applications. It was a subtle but impactful way to encourage higher-tier purchases while still offering a compelling entry point. This tiered approach maximized appeal across different budget levels. And then prices dropped hard. The M4 MacBook Air, already a strong contender, became an undeniable value proposition during sales events. It was not uncommon to find these machines priced under $800. This aggressive pricing strategy transformed the M4 Air into an irresistible offer. The combination of robust performance, Apple's ecosystem, and an accessible price point created a perfect storm. Students, creators, and everyday users flocked to purchase a MacBook Air that delivered premium experience without the premium price tag. This made it a market leader in its segment. Now Apple is bringing that successful formula back with the M5. The next generation of the MacBook Air is poised to build upon the M4's achievements, refining the balance of power, efficiency, and value. Expectations are high for what this new chip will bring to Apple's most popular laptop. The M5 is not just an incremental update. It represents Apple's continued commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a fanless laptop can achieve. This strategic evolution ensures the MacBook Air remains at the forefront of portable computing. It promises to deliver even more compelling reasons for an upgrade. The M5 GPU is already showing massive performance gains, even inside fanless designs. Early benchmarks and internal testing suggest a significant leap in graphical processing capabilities. This means smoother video editing, faster rendering, and more fluid gaming experiences on a machine designed for silent operation. The efficiency of Apple Silicon allows these performance improvements without compromising battery life or thermal management. Users can expect to tackle more intensive tasks with confidence, knowing their MacBook Air will keep pace. This performance boost solidifies its position as a versatile workhorse. RAM options will likely stay the same, with 8 GB as the base configuration. While some users might hope for more, Apple typically reserves higher base RAM for its Pro models. However, storage speed could finally improve. The M4 Air saw some criticism regarding its base SSD speeds. The M5 generation is expected to address this, offering faster read and write performance across the board. This enhancement will lead to quicker boot times, snappier application launches, and more efficient file transfers. It's a crucial upgrade for overall system responsiveness. No OLED, no ProMotion. Apple wants that exclusive for its Pro lineup. The MacBook Air will continue to feature a high-quality liquid retina display, offering excellent color accuracy and brightness. While not reaching the peak specifications of the Pro models, it remains a superb panel for most users. This strategic differentiation ensures that the Pro models retain their premium appeal and justification for their higher price point. The Air's display will still provide a vibrant and immersive viewing experience, perfectly suited for productivity and media consumption. It's a balanced approach to product segmentation. Leaks point to an early 2026 release, possibly January or February. Apple typically favors these early year windows for significant product launches, especially for its consumer-focused devices. This timing allows the new MacBook Air to capture early market attention and capitalize on post-holiday spending. The anticipation for the M5 Air is building, and an early 2026 launch would align with Apple's historical release cycles. This strategic timing ensures maximum impact and allows for a clear runway before other major tech announcements later in the year. It sets the stage for another successful product cycle. Pricing should start at $999 for the base 13-inch model, with the 15-inch variant commanding a slightly higher premium. This maintains the MacBook Air's position as an accessible entry point into the Apple laptop ecosystem. Importantly, discounts won't be far behind. Just like its predecessor, the M5 MacBook Air is expected to see significant price reductions during major sales events. This makes the initial price point even more attractive, as informed buyers can anticipate future savings. It's a smart strategy for driving volume sales. The MacBook Air M5 isn't about hype. It's about smart value. It represents Apple's refined understanding of what the mainstream laptop market truly needs. This machine will offer a compelling blend of performance, efficiency, and affordability, making it an intelligent choice for a vast audience. It's a testament to Apple's ability to deliver a premium experience without always demanding a premium price. The M5 Air is poised to be a benchmark for what a modern, everyday laptop should be. For honest Apple breakdowns, subscribe to Techie Hub. Would you buy the M5 Air?